A fan modified a brand new iPhone as a gift for his girlfriend. Maybe this is the most dangerous kind of romance I've ever seen. Today we received an iPhone 16 Pro from a fan. It's a birthday gift he wants to give to his girlfriend. He also requested that the process be completely unnoticeable. Opening about this iPhone, we can see that this is a 128GB iPhone 16 Pro. To let his girlfriend enjoy large storage, this guy asked us to upgrade it to 1TB. He also wants it to look completely unopened. Anyone who has bought a brand new iPhone knows what a sealed, unactivated phone should look like. So after we upgrade it to 1TB and reseal it, will you be able to tell if it's ever been opened? Let's find out at the end of the video. After opening the back cover, we first protect the camera module. The internal design and structure of the iPhone 16 Pro is truly a modern work of technological art. Actually, the upgrade principle is very simple. Just replace the storage chip on the motherboard with a larger one, but in a smartphone's dense circuitry, it really tests the technician's precision. After disconnecting all the cables, we remove the speaker and Face ID module, then we remove the screws from the motherboard, disconnect the sensor cable, and take out the motherboard, then we peel off the protective foam around the base. By the way, how much storage does your phone have? Precision repair always requires professional tools. Heat-based tools like soldering irons vary by technician and aren't consistent. That's why we use a CNC micromilling machine to standardize the upgrade process. After grinding, the solder pads aren't yet ready for installation. We first apply flux to the pads, then drag solder each point one by one, then use a soldering iron with suction to flatten the pads. After prepping the board, we clean it thoroughly. Next, we reball the new 1TB NAND chip, heated so that every solder ball is evenly formed. Question: what phone are you using to watch this video? After cleaning the chip, we apply flux and start curing. Align the chip and place the new 1TB NAND on the board. Heat it until it auto-aligns with a springback effect. That means it's successfully installed. Then apply original BGA black adhesive to one side of the chip. This prevents future detachment or oxidation caused by impacts or airflow. The curing process takes about 30 minutes. Question: what common issues does your phone usually have? After curing, we reapply the original reflective foam padding. The motherboard upgrade is now complete. To restore the original water resistance, we clean off all leftover adhesive. This helps maintain the phone's sealing integrity. Then we reapply brand new waterproof adhesive. Clean the inside. Reinstall the shield plate. Peel off the protective layer from the waterproof tape. Then close the back cover. Put the phone into a heat press to ensure pressure sealing, then connect it to a computer. To install a new system, after installing the system, we go to About This iPhone. We've successfully upgraded the iPhone 16 Pro from 128GB to 1TB. Then we clean the phone and put it back into the original box.